Let's make some flax seed crackers. We'll start with flax seeds. Seeds are full of nutrition. These are very easy to make. Chia seeds, hemp seeds or hemp hearts, sunflower seeds. Here are some sesame seeds, we'll add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of rosemary, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. You can see I like to keep the measurements the same when I can. Just makes it easier. Put in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we'll pour in 3/4 of a cup of water. Stir it all together and let this sit for 15 minutes. Our seeds have been sitting, soaking in water for 15 minutes. Now, the easiest way to do this is to take 2 sheets of parchment paper and oil them. Make sure each sheet is oiled from side to side. Then we'll pour our seeds out on the oiled paper. Put the other oiled paper on top. And roll this out for crackers. We want to roll this to about a 10-inch by 13-inch rectangle. You could roll it thinner, but then your crackers will tend to fall apart and break a little easier. So the baking instructions are for 10 to 13 inches. 10 by 13 inches. Let's move some of these guys over here, make it square, fits in our pan. You want to get the thickness fairly even. When they're done, these should be nice and solid for holding cheese or dipping. But they're great to just eat on their own. Alright, make sure we're sort of even thickness to the edges. Take our pan and we just slip this whole thing onto the pan. So, take off your top parchment and pop it into the oven. Our crackers have been in the oven for 20 minutes. It's time to flip them over. It's easier if we can divide them into some large chunks. Then you can cut them up further into crackers if you wish. And we'll pop them back into the oven. Our crackers are done. Enjoy!